Animation with example. Animation in computer graphics refers to the creation of moving images and graphics through the use of software and computer algorithms. Here are some key points to consider when working with animation in computer graphics. Animation involves creating the illusion of motion. Animation in computer graphics involves creating the illusion of motion by rapidly displaying a sequence of still images, each slightly different from the previous one. Animation requires a smooth and seamless transition between images. To create a smooth and believable animation, it's important to ensure that there is a seamless transition between each frame in the animation, with no abrupt changes or stuttering. Animation can be used for a variety of purposes. Animation in computer graphics can be used for a variety of purposes, including entertainment, education, advertising, and more. Animation requires a large amount of data and processing power. Creating animation in computer graphics requires a large amount of data and processing power, as the computer must store and manipulate large amounts of image and animation data in real time. Example. A simple example of animation in computer graphics is a bouncing ball animation. The animation would be created by creating a sequence of images that show the ball moving up and down, with each frame in the animation showing the ball slightly higher or lower than the previous frame. To create a believable animation, it's important to ensure that the transition between each frame is smooth and seamless. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.